In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Upsell using Vitals on Shopify. We'll start right from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the page for the search bar, click into that search field, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the search box that appears, type Vitals and press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. From the search results, look for the app called Vitals Reviews Bundles and 40 Plus. Go ahead and install this app and then follow all of the on-screen installation prompts until the setup is complete. When the installation finishes, you'll be taken directly to the Vitals dashboard. On this page, look for a card or section that mentions App Embed Status. On the right-hand side of that card, click the Activate button. This will open your Shopify theme editor in a new view. On the left-hand panel of the theme editor, find the App Embed section and make sure that Vitals is enabled there. Once it's turned on, click the Save button in the top right corner. After saving, return to the left panel and select Manage App to go back to the Vitals dashboard. Inside the Vitals dashboard, look again at the left-hand menu. Find the Vitals section and underneath it, click on Apps. This will show you a list of all the apps and tools included in Vitals. From that list, click on Upsell Builder. On the Upsell Builder page, select View Offer Types. Here you'll see several different upsell styles you can use. Browse through them, and when you find the type of upsell you like, click Choose Offer. Now it's time to set up your upsell. You'll see your settings and configuration options on the left and a live preview on the right. For example, if you're creating a volume discount offer, start by choosing which products to include. You can apply the offer to any product or limit it to specific products or collections. Click Browse to open a pop-up where you can select exactly which products or collections you want to add. You can also choose whether the discount applies to any eligible product purchased or only when the identical variants are bought together. Next, click the Discount tab at the top. Choose your discount type, either a percentage discount or a fixed amount. Then edit your discount tiers by setting the quantity of items and the discount for each tier. Use Add Tier to create multiple levels, like higher discounts for larger quantities. Then move to the Widgets tab. Here you can choose where your upsell will appear: on the product page, the cart page, the thank you page, as a pop-up when items are added to the cart, or as a pop-up at checkout. Turn each widget on or off depending on your strategy. If you want to customize one, click on it to open its settings drawer. In there, you can adjust the status, layout, offer title, discount tiers, theme settings, variant selector, theme elements, pricing, colors, and borders. As you make changes, always keep an eye on the preview on the right to see how it will look to your customers. When you're happy with everything, click the Review tab at the top to do a final check of your upsell configuration. If everything looks good, click Publish Volume Discount to make your upsell live on your store.